DBSWIN drive installation started. Double-click the installation package. Select the language and click OK. Click Next. Click I agree. After selecting the installation path, click Next. Click Install to start the installation. Click Finish and wait for a while. Click Cancel. DBSWIN drive installation completed.
Double-click to run the software. Log in to enter the main interface. Create and save a new patient. When using DBSWIN Drive for the first time, DBSWIN Drive setting is needed. Click Option - Show Configuration Modules, and double-click DBSWIN. Create a new DBSWIN source and name it in the designation box. Click Installed DBSWIN while choosing the DBSWIN source. Set others accordingly, and then click OK. Click X-ray. Click Series to choose a template, and click Input to enter the acquiring interface. When using the sensor for the first time, if it's not calibrated, calibrate it first. Click the icon to enter the manual calibration window. Click Exposure, and the software will display ready. Then, align the X-ray machine with the sensor covered by an aluminum plate and start exposure. After the image appears, continue the following exposure until all 8 images are collected. After 8 images appear, click Calibrate to complete the calibration. After manual correction, a software matching setting is required. Click the icon to enter the setting window. Select DBSWIN and click Edit. Select Enable and click Save to close the setting window. Back to the main interface, click the blue icon after confirming the exposure position. After the software displays ready, the X-ray machine starts to expose. After the acquisition, click Return Image to upload the images to DBSWIN. Operation completed.